Are you getting the Decompile Library DLL error after the Localized code analysis debug logic update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Don't let Decompile Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Decompile Library, a generic naming convention used by several reverse engineering tools and code analysis suites to house their localized bytecode to source translation logic. If missing, the software will fail to open binary files for analysis, reporting a decompiler engine failed to initialize, or an immediate memory exception. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The Decompile Library DLL module is a localized part of the localized code analysis / debug logic integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Decompile Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Decompile Library DLL in your System32 folder. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If registry clutter or Decompile library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Decompile library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.